Hey guys, this is Mr. Decker. This is lesson 14 of the Express course, and this lesson is titled Until Loops in Maze. Our computer science standard for today is decomposing and breaking down problems into smaller, manageable subproblems to facilitate the program development process. The essential question is, what's the difference between an until loop and a while loop? Well, an until loop will tell the computer to repeat the code until a condition is met, and a while loop is a condition. So while there's a path ahead, move forward. Or while there's a path to the left, turn left. Things like that. So it's conditional. This entire lesson is on code.org. Make sure you're signed in on code.org with your school Google account. Your grade for this lesson will be based on your programming in the lesson on code.org. Watching the video is mandatory, so watch the video as you work your way through the lesson. The best practice, as always, is to watch me do a step, pause the video, and then complete that step on code.org. Repeat until you're finished. No need to submit anything on this assignment page. All work for this assignment will be completed on code.org. So let's head on over there. This puts us on our dashboard as long as we're logged in. We're going to go to the Express course. We're going to go directly to Bubble 1 of Lesson 14. Now, get the angry bird to stop, all right? Or get the angry bird to the pig, rather. All right, so to get the angry bird to the pig, we need to, let me just get started over. We need to use a while path ahead, but I think we can also use a repeat. Let's see. While path ahead, and he needs to do that 3 times. He'll move forward, and then he needs to turn left. So the way I set this up, it'll repeat this code 3 times. So while path ahead, as long as he sees a space in front of him, he'll move forward. Once he no longer sees a space here, he's going to turn left. And then he'll see space in front of him until he doesn't anymore. He'll turn left, and then he'll get all the way here to the pig. All right, let's move on to Bubble 2. Bubble 2 is a video with Chris Bosch.
Every athlete knows that you get good by practicing, by repeating the same moves until you get really good, or until you reach your goal. When I was in high school, I wouldn't leave practice until I made 10 free throws in a row. Similarly, when you get to a computer program and repeat a command, you can give it an exact number of times to repeat. Or you can define a goal and tell it to repeat the command until it reaches some goal. In the next example, the repeat block is changed. Instead of specifying how many times you want it to repeat, you can use the repeat until block to tell the angry bird to do the same thing until it gets the pig or until it crashes into a wall. And again, we can put multiple blocks inside the loop and repeat a series of actions.
All right, thank you, Chris. Moving on, Bubble 3. And this one I've already answered, but let's take a close look at the code below and see what we think will happen. Well, the bird's going to make it to the pig, but why will he make it to the pig? Well, just like in the last bubble 1 there, he's going to repeat until he gets to the pig, right? So instead of looking like this with a repeat 3 times, right, he'll get to the pig. This time, it's a repeat until he gets to the pig. So instead of saying do this 3 times, you're saying do this until you get to the pig. So while path ahead, as long as the bird sees space in front of him, he's going to continue forward. Once he no longer sees a space in front of him, like this TNT block, once he gets right here to this space, he's going to turn left. And then he'll see space in front of him again. He'll go all the way up here. He'll no longer see space in front of him, so he'll turn left, and then he'll go to the pig. Right on, brother. All right. Bubble 4. Get the bird to the pig. So, whoop. All right. Let's get him to the pig. So we need to grab our repeat until pig. Do, right? We want him to move forward. Then he needs to turn left. Once he's facing down here, he needs to move forward again. And then he needs to turn to the right. And then it will zoop back up to the top and keep repeating this until he gets to the pig, in theory. Oh, all right. Oh, no. All right, let's fix this. I chose the wrong order. That should work. So now move forward, turn right, facing this way, move forward, turn left, and then should run the way you need it to. Yeah, there he goes. There he goes. Now we're cooking with peanut oil. Okay, bubble 5. All right, so this is a convoluted mess that I was trying before. Let's throw that in the trash. Okay. It's a lot simpler than that. So we need to grab a repeat until sunflower. We're trying to get our zombie to the sunflower up here. So we're going to move him forward. Then he's going to turn left. Then he's going to be facing this way, and he needs to move forward again. And he's going to be right here, and he needs to turn right. And then once it runs that sequence, it's going to zoop back up to the top, run that code again, run the code again, run the code again, until it gets to the sunflower. Gotta love those sound effects. All right, bubble 6. Let's see what's going on here. All right, this says, use the if block to help the zombie decide when to turn, then get the zombie to the sunflower. All right, so let's see. While path ahead. Oop, 1 second, getting a phone call. All right, sorry about that. When you're the company computer guy, people tend to call you for help about stuff. All right, so repeat until we get to our friendly edible sunflower plant, and we're going to throw a while path ahead inside here and just nest that. So while there's a path ahead, we want him to move forward. And while there is not a path ahead, we want him to turn left. Let's run it.
Brains.
Most excellent. All right. Bubble 7. Help the zombie get to the sunflower. Okay, so now we've got those piranha plants. We know what they do. They eat us, so we don't want to get to those. So while path ahead, repeat until. Kind of similar stuff. Move forward while path ahead. And we want him to turn right when there is not a path ahead. So he'll get here, turn right, get here, turn right. That should work. Oh, yes. Very good. Very good. All right. Bubble 8. Help the zombie get to the sunflower again. So this time, repeat until sunflower. While path ahead. Move forward. And we want him to turn left this time, looks like. So while path ahead, he'll move forward. If no path, move left. Turn left, sorry. And it should work.
Brains.
Most excellent. Most excellent. Bubble 9. A challenge puzzle. Challenge puzzles are lessons designed to stretch your brains. Just do the best that you can. I'm ready. Okay. Okay. Ooh, wow. All right. Stretching the brain already. 9 blocks. Okay, pal. We'll do this in 9 blocks. So if we go down here, we're going to get eaten. So we're going to have to go this way. 9 blocks. That makes it challenging. All right. Let's see. I can turn around. Get him facing this way, and then I feel like I can now run or repeat until sunflower, wild path ahead. But then he's going to get right here. Interesting. I'm going to think on this for a second. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. So we thought on that for a minute. I think I've got a pretty decent idea what I need to do. I think. Okay, so we need to turn right twice to get him facing this direction towards this piranha plant. And then I'm going to move him forward. And then I'm going to immediately turn right again to get him facing this way. Then we're going to run a repeat until. And we're going to move forward while there's a path ahead, and then we're going to make him turn left. And I'm going to see if that works. Let's run it.
brains,
Yes. All right. So it was a little tricky. It kind of messed with me. I thought, well, if I send him down here, he's just going to go over to this piranha plant. But then I thought about it some more. He turns left right here. So he's going to turn left, go forward, turn left, turn left, turn left, and he gets there.
brains,
Oh, yeah. Yummy sunflower brains. Okay. Let's get him to the sunflower. We're going to repeat until sunflower. Wild path ahead. Move forward. And he's going to turn right when he does not see a path ahead. I think that should get it.
brains,
Oh, yeah. Nailed it. Bubble 11. Okay, so, ooh, this one. All right, so look carefully at the code below. What will happen after you click run? The zombie will pass the correct path and end up going back and forth forever. Well, let's look at it. So repeat until we get to the sunflower. Wild path ahead, move forward. So we're going to move forward all the way to here. And he's going to turn right. And he's going to turn right. Then he's going to come back this way, I think. And then he's going to turn right and right. I think A might be what he does. Zombie will make it to the sunflower. I don't know. I don't think he'll turn right here. Or the zombie will turn right. The zombie will pass the correct path and end up going back and forth forever. Or the zombie will turn right on the first path and go around in circles forever. I think he's going to go back and forth forever. Let's run it and see.
brains,
Yeah. That's what I thought. All right. So
brains,
continue. Okay, so if you want to try the challenge, you can. Not required. That's it for this lesson. The next lesson is going to be lesson 15. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I like these ones that feature the zombies because I like the sound effects. I think they're pretty cool. See you later, guys.